It's Walter Martin back, helping you find some of the best sales and deals on used cars in your particular area, and usually this is on Craigslist. So today we're going to go into Nebraska, and the first place we're going to look is Grand Island. So go to google.com and type in Craigslist Grand Island, Nebraska, and hit enter. And the first website that comes up is grandisland.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click this link, and you'll be taken to a generic Craigslist page with Grand Island up top. If you're looking for a specific make and model, you can go into the search Craigslist, but remember that you could find a lot of dealer classified advertisements there, so you may want to go to the for sale section and go to cars and trucks and go to buy owner only. And you're going to quickly see why we do this. So here's an old Acura CL for $1,900. Now, anything that seems too good to be true probably is. A 2000 Acura for $1,900 seems too good to be true. And when we read the classified ad, we see that the transmission on this vehicle needs work. And that doesn't surprise me because this vehicle would be worth a lot more than $1,900 if everything was in great shape. The Kelley Blue Book value is $5,600. Nobody's going to sell a vehicle that's worth $5,600 for $1,900. And this is true with any classified ad. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. So something else I will point out with this classified ad is the OBO, which means or best offer. Anytime somebody lists $1,900 OBO or $2,200 OBO, that means that if there's not a lot of interest at a certain price, they will be willing to take a lower offer. So this is important to look for classified ads that have the OBO if you're good at negotiating and you want to get lower prices. So that's just one classified ad. As you can see, there are many that have been posted in the last 24 hours. A lot of Chevy trucks are going to be listed. So Chevy and Ford trucks are extremely popular on Craigslist. So if you're looking for a Chevrolet Silverado or a Ford F-150 or a Dodge Ram, don't think that you're going to have to just jump at the first offer. Now for $1,350, that's a pretty good price for this truck, but note that it probably has well over 100,000 or 200,000 miles. It does say that it runs and drives good. With that being said, anything under 2,000 bucks, you need to make sure that the vehicle actually runs. Some of the vehicles that are being sold on Craigslist do not run when they're in that price range. So these are just a few tips and tricks I use. If you plan on buying a vehicle in Nebraska, please feel free to comment below and let me know how the process goes, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.